This microphone is the reason why I bought the SmallRig for my GoPro. This is a great mic, it's the Rode Video Mic Go 2, and I wanted the option to use this with my GoPro. To do that neatly, I needed some kind of solution, because this is how the setup would look at the moment without any kind of solution in place. So there's a crazy long wire connecting the mic to the GoPro. There's the little GoPro audio adapter, there's GoPro itself. It's all very loose and rubbish. I really had to have something hold this all together and make this a viable solution. Enter the SmallRig. SmallRig. Let's have a look. SmallRig, big dream. I like that. Let's see what's going on. Already you can tell that this is like the quality device. This is the one to go for. Let's get straight to the view. Okay, now I had an inkling that it was going to be metal, which I was a tad apprehensive about. So I'm quite happy to see that it's not metal. Now the question is, do I get a door? Okay. And I don't think I do get a door. Oh yes, I do get the door. Okay, so I'm loving it. Brilliant, this is what I wanted. Okay, so it really is the whole package. It really is everything you need. Okay. So that's cool. You're getting all three items in there. A quick, good look around here. Here are 910 black. Alright, okay, so this opens up here. That's in the unlocked position there. Unlock. Drop it back. It should just clip in nicely. Two hot shoes, cold shoes, one there, one there. Alright, so first thing, let's get this door going, so this just pops off like that. Okay. Done. At this point I should mention that your GoPro is not waterproof once you have this door on there. Okay, because it allows you to now plug your USB charger straight into the GoPro. And so it's no longer waterproof because the insides are exposed because of the hole in the door. Get that in there. Bit of good push in all the way in. Nice and neat, nice and tight. Get this clipped on there. Okay, locked on, feeling good, feeling robust, feeling firm. Happy with that. And okay, so I've still got access to these. So really I can use it like this if I wish, which is epic, which is probably what I will be doing. Now let's get this on. Start off about here. Let's give it a little pop. Okay, I want to try and do it this way. Let's put you in there first. Oh my god, that is snug. Yo, that is really neat, really snug. Now let's do this. I don't want it. I know it's a very strong bit of cable, is that? There's no discernible click, but I believe that is in there very nicely. Look at that first step. And do I want it on the side, or do I want it on the top? Okay, I'm gonna go for top. All right. Then of course from there you're gonna just connect your cable from here into there. Well, the fact is that's just not true. the USB feature doesn't really work when it comes to the GoPro audio adapter and the Rode video mic. The Rode Video Mic Go 2 is a USB mic, that's great, it works and stuff like that, but the GoPro wants you to use it with the audio jack instead. So yeah, there you go. This here depicts the correct setup. You can see it's connected via the audio jack on the microphone and to the audio jack there, audio port on the GoPro audio adapter. So this is how it should and will look. Well, actually much neater, sleek, all looking black and quite tidy. Looks like a nice gadget. For me, in my perspective, unfortunately, it really does take away from the subtlety of a GoPro, the inconspicuousness of a GoPro. It does take away from that, and now you are really using a camera, pointing a camera at yourself, becoming a bit more of an obvious vlogger, video maker, so it will attract attention. There is a problem with the SmallRig though that I found from using it, and it relates to audio quality. It's something I'll cover in another video, not this one, so do hit subscribe, like and share. I want to keep this video more just about an unboxing, but the next one will be about a test, and yes, an obvious problem with the SmallRig which you should be aware of, how it kind of limits your freedom a little bit and how it impacts audio quality. Alright, video coming out very soon. Please hit subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.